everybody, happy Tuesday. Right, so for phonics today, I would like you to either watch the Mrs. Wilson and Mrs. Wood video, going through the phonemes, or you can go through the sounds, which I know Thomas did yesterday, on the sound mat. Okay, that is really nice because it's got pictures to kind of give you a clue, grown-ups, as to what it sounds like. So, for example, it's got a ring next to Okay, so that's brilliant. So if you could go through those for me, that would be super duper. And then we're just going to have a go at reading a word together. Now this is quite a nice one because it's given me the chance to show you sound buttons when we have a digraph. So a digraph is two letters, and the children will be able to tell you this, that make one sound. So for example, here I've got the letter S and H, which makes the sh sound. Okay, so we're going to read this all together. I'm going to get my robot arms out, and I'm going to go sh, oot, sh, oot, sh, oot, shelter. Okay, and that's another two-syllable word, shelter. Okay, so you could have a talk with your grown-up about what a shelter is. I'm in shelter right now because I'm at home. Okay, and we'll do another word, another two-syllable word. We'll do, and I have emailed you some words to have a go at reading with your grown-up, and I've emailed you some words to have a go at writing. Okay, so this is another word that's got a digraph in it. Okay, so we've got o, ch, b, ox. O, ch, b, ox. O, ch, lunch, b, ox, box, lunch box. Okay. And then what I would like you to do as a little task is to have a go at writing a sentence. Okay, so this is tricky, and the sentence is, are all children good at sport? Okay, and have a think about what that needs. It's not going to be a full stop. Think about what that might need. Are all children good at sport? Grown-ups, when you're doing this, we will sound out. So if we're doing, for example, children, and you will have to remind the children which word they're on. So if we go and then we'll help them sound it out, all, and when you get to children, if you go ch, d, and you can point to things. So if they can say to you, children, ch, you can say brilliant, and then you can find ch on your sound mat, and you can point to it for them to copy. And then once they've done ch, you'll go ch, all, and it doesn't matter if they don't get all of it. If they just say all as the next sound, absolutely fine. So try and get it accurate to what they're telling you rather than correct spelling. It needs to become how it sounds. Okay, so your sentence to try is, are all children good at sport?